As a Jamaican living in the US, I carry my culture food everywhere I go. So this morning, you see me I pick out the something them where double dose don't strip the color look good. So I have to go through it, me wash my hand clean and go through it and pick out the trash them. Cause you know you see some look striped. Me don't want much saltfish in it, so me put very little saltfish in it cause me don't want it overdo the color look. Me cut up me little seasoned bell pepper, tomato, onion and scallion and a little piece of thyme, and me go fry up the color look the saltfish first, then add the seasoning, then I add a little black pepper, etc. to it. Yes, and that is how me do it. But me boil the saltfish first, then we fry it up, add the seasoning, and just put it in the container and just warm up. Yeah, throw it out in the container and then mix it up. Right there, so see me I mix it up there. We mix it up and get it warm, and then we